Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. MaMgwabe finally explained why she never left Mr. Mseleku. Remember last season MaMgwabe was doing a farewell saying she is leaving Anyek. Especially Mafia number wife number 5, MaMgwabe is leaving, and we saw a clip where Mr. Mseleku and the other family members were singing a song with Abahambe Mabahambe, and the Kanya and the MaMgwabe Isaiah did bring it up on the table while Mr. Mseleku was visiting, was at her place. So MaMgwabe was like, but then when a while Shabela Abahamba, and then Mr. Mseleku kind of spoke, why are you bringing this thing up? Like it's like this thing happened a long time ago. In fact, this is how it became. Like, so Mr. Mseleku was more like bragging, well, you didn't leave me, kind of thing. First, and he was kind of grateful to her, saying thank you for not leaving me, thank you for staying with me. Yes, that shows that you respect me by not leaving me. And then MaMgwabe was like, please do not bring this up now because now for no one's asked, because remember MaMgwabe, she's always a little bit moody, like most of the times. So MaMgwabe wathi, if ufuna ukungicapula, continue doing that. I'll end up kicking you out of my house. Umsele, but no, this is also my house. I am not going anywhere. It was not really an argument because they were smiling. You know how, I don't know, but the way she was saying it, and she meant it, but then her face was saying something else because the face was smiling while she spoke about it. So Umsele was like, well, it's like we are celebrating and all. So MaMgwabe says enough, Mr. Mseleku shouldn't be one celebrate. MaMgwabe went on to explain the reason why she stayed. Her friends actually spoke to her and convinced her not to leave. Her family also convinced her not to leave, including her children. In other words, she also did it for the children, not for Mr. Mseleku, because you could see, okay, this looks like a happy family, but there are cracks in there. At the same time, Mseleku is blaming MaMgwabe for everything. Even now, the children. I don't want the children to grow up hating you. That's what he was saying. Insinuating always MaMgwabe is the one that is on the wrong. Anyways, Mr. Mseleku also spoke about the fact that people perceive him as the bad guy, but he's not bad, but it's fine, he's going to stay the bad guy. And then, yeah, that is it. MaMgwabe basically stayed for the children, and she was convinced by the family members not to leave. So if you were in MaMgwabe's place, would you have left just because there is wife number 5? But remember, just changing number, just changing, if someone is like 4 wives, that doesn't guarantee that those are gonna be easy asked. So that doesn't guarantee which is not going to marry anymore. And speaking of that, remember Khumalo is also said to be upset because of wife number 5. And now people are now saying there's a beef between Khumalo and wife number 5. Let us know what you think in the comment section down below. I'll see you on the next video.